How to buy Gyro Dao's native token, Gyro. The Olympus Dao forks are going crazy. Gyro Dao is actually the first fork, Olympus Dao fork on the Binance Smart Chain. So let's get into it. Let's buy Gyro. Alright, first thing we're going to do, y'all, is go to Coinbase and we're going to buy some AVAX tokens. Alright, so we're already on Coinbase now. You're going to scroll all the way down to AVAX, Avalanche. If it would work, I'm going to buy some AVAX tokens here. Alright, y'all. So as you already know, or if you don't know, you just click wallet. And that's how you send. You know, after you've bought your AVAX tokens, obviously you're going to have to buy it first on the overview page. Excuse me. Then you're gonna send your AVAX tokens over to your MetaMask wallet. So yeah, after you clicked on wallet, after you've sent those tokens over to your MetaMask wallet address, you're now gonna go to Traderjoe's here. Traderjoe XYZ, I believe, is the website. And you're now gonna use this swap here. Make sure you're on the AVAX C chain, AVAX. I wasn't on the AVAX C chain, so let me switch to that. Make sure you're on the Avalanche chain, or the transaction wouldn't work, of course. So once you're on the Avalanche C chain or Avalanche chain, you're now gonna swap your AVAX tokens that you've bought on Coinbase, or let's say you already had AVAX tokens in your MetaMask in your hardware wallet. Perfect. You're going to swap those AVAX tokens for USDC. Next, we're going to go to Apeboard.finance. Apeboard.finance, just like Coinbase, is going to be one of our best friends as we do all these crypto degen, risky plays here for all these Olympus Fork DAOs. So now we're going to go and we want to swap our AVAX tokens, our AVAX USDC. We want to swap that to the Binance Smart Chain. I believe he's going to pull up Anyswap. Anyswap is a great one. So all of these here that we have to choose, we have Synapse Bridge, Relay Chain, Multi-Chain, XYZ. You see all the things here. I'm just going to go with Anyswap. I know Anyswap. I'm pretty familiar with Anyswap here. So once you pick the multi cross-chain bridge you want to use to send your AVAX over to Binance Smart Chain, to send your USD over from the AVAX mainnet to the Binance Smart Chain, you will just click the bridge you want to use. I'm going to use Anyswap here. Just wait for that to load. After that has loaded, of course, you're now going to swap. You're going to select. It always takes you to the bridge. I don't know why it does that. I think I talked about that in my last video. But you're going to go here on the side and click router, actually, because we're not using the bridge, we're using the router. So yes, you would have your USDC on the AVAX mainnet. You're gonna send that to the Binance Smart Chain mainnet, and you're gonna send USDC to USDC. After you would enter, of course, say I wanted to send $56. Obviously I don't have that in here because it's just wallet. This wallet here is just for tutorials. This is what I use for tutorials on my YouTube. But you send that $56 in USDC over, you receive it in your Binance Smart Chain, on the Binance Smart Chain. So you would just, you have to pay the gas fees, no cross-chain fee, but you have to pay the gas fee, all this stuff here, just make sure, and you read all that fine print. Minimum deposit or minimum cross-chain amount, $12 USDC. Once you did all that, you will go to the Binance Smart Chain, and now, we go to Pancakeswap, and now we're gonna get Gyro tokens so we can be able to stake them. So here, you go to Pancakeswap, you click trade. I'm already here, and then you would enter in. You would, put USDC here, because that's what you want to send. That's what you want to swap. You want to swap USDC for Gyro tokens. So you put USDC, you click that. I'm just going over with y'all. Now comes the hard part. Can be tricky, so listen up, y'all. So it doesn't show up on Pancakeswap, so you're gonna want to go to CoinGecko, and I already have it opened up here. Just CoinGecko.com, and you're gonna search for Gyro. This is how This is how it looks. It's Gyro. The ticker symbol is Gyro. Point blank. Period. You're gonna go to the side here, and under info, there's something called contract. You're gonna click the copy symbol here. Click to copy. Click that. It's not gonna copy it to your clipboard. Gonna go back to Pancakeswap here, and you're gonna enter in the contract address for Gyro token. Don't mess it up, y'all, because you don't want to send coins to the wrong. You don't want to buy the wrong coins. So go to CoinGecko. Make sure you have the right contract address, y'all, because Pancakeswap does not have it, on there. So you would, of course, you have to import the token now. It's gonna ask you, if you understand what you're doing. You would click yes, click import, and now you would just swap your USDC for Gyro tokens. How much ever USDC you would want to swap, you would swap that out. And when it's done, everything's being slower, but when it's done, you would of course click connect wallet. My wallet should have already been connected. I don't know why it's acting crazy. I'm probably not on the right mainnet, because I was just on the Avalanche mainnet, the AVAX mainnet. So it's gonna ask me for that. I'm gonna switch to the right mainnet, and bang, when I'm ready to do it, I'll enter the amount I wanted to swap. It'll show me the amount in Gyro tokens I'm gonna get. I would click here, and it would, the process would finish. It'll probably charge like a 10-cent gas fee. So once I now have my Gyro tokens, I'll go back to CoinGecko. I will now go on their website. You see here under info, under their contract address is their website. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Because you want to make sure you're using the right website. Okay, this is your money. We don't play around with our money. So you would click launch app. I'm just gonna wait for this to load. Everything's being so slow for some reason. All right, so you would now of course have that Gyro in your account after you just swapped it on Pancakeswap. I'm sorry, y'all. You just swapped it on Pancakeswap. Swapped out your Binance Smart Chain USDC tokens on the Binance Smart Chain using Pancakeswap for Gyro tokens. You now come here. You click stake. It's very similar to all the other Olympus Dao Forks. Very similar to Wonderland Time. Just a little bit different user interface, as you see here. It's in the middle. The calculator, whatever, is in the middle. The next rebase yield would be this number here, as you can see here. Let me zoom in for y'all a little bit. That would be the next, and then the 5-day ROI would be this number here, as you can see. So y'all, it's pretty simple. That's all you would need to do. Once you click stake, of course, it could take about 10-15 minutes. You could also check Zapper.fi and make sure your coins are staked, so you're not trying to redo this process and wasting money that wasting gas fees, money on gas fees, because it does take a little bit of time to update after you've clicked that you staked your coins here. But yeah, that's how you stake on Gyro, the first ever Olympus Dao Fork on the Binance Smart Chain. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. All the websites I use will be in the description. So yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Peace.